Hi, today we're going to learn how to design roofs. Now, assuming you have a drawing like this, let's zoom into look at it. And so, assuming you have a building plan like this, usually if the designer followed all the rules while drawing, it's easy for us to just go to the dimensions in the layers tab and switch off the dimensions. So this was well done. You can see the whole dimensions are off. But if the drawing was not well done, you would have to delete each of this manually. You understand? So I will undo. You have to delete each of these manually. So, but to make it easy, I'll just go here, switch off the dimensions tab. Now, also, if this was well done, maybe this was put on text layer, it's easy for us. I'll look for the text layer again and switch it off. So it was well done. We have the text layer off. So you have a straightforward um, a simple building plan, yeah, without all the unnecessary details. So the next thing is I'll type PL enter and hit my enter key. Then click on an edge. You can pick any edge you like. Now I just noticed my auto is not on. So to switch on my auto, I can hit the F8 key. Or just go down here and click on it. Now you can set your width. So you can see it here W. Either you click on it or you type W and hit your enter key. So I'll set my width to 25 mm. So I'll type 25. So it's asking for my ending width. Also 25. So we can go ahead. So go to this edge, this edge. Now, do you want it to cover your staircase? I would like for it to cover my staircase. So this edge, then I'll come here, this edge, and I'll go to hit the C button and press enter. So we're good. So the best thing to do when you do this is you can take your polyline, hit CO enter, um, take it like this outside. Now that you have your polyline copied here, the next thing is we create a roof layer. Come over here, type, click on this. So we type roof. So I always prefer using color green. So I'll look for it color 92. Just a personal preference. Okay. So the first thing you do is you offset this by 600 mm. Just offset outwards. Then you go to your roof layer. If you want to be smart, you can change this to 45. You want to be moving at 45 degrees angles. So I'll come here, hit my L enter, draw, make sure you can see the snap tracking. So it's reading about 7,971. So rather I can just type maybe 5,000. I enter key, press escape, come over here, another 5,000. Make sure my snap tracking is on. 5,000. So we'll continue putting all of this. So instead of doing it all over again, I will copy, I will highlight it, hit CO enter, then click on a base point. I prefer to use that base point. So I come here, I put it there. Now we don't have something a line that runs like this. So I can either mirror or draw the line all over again. So because I've not used mirror in this tutorial, so let me use it. So I will highlight it, type MI enter. Now look for the middle. So my midpoint is here. Go straight down and press enter. So Now, I just noticed that I omitted a point here. So I'll copy, CO, enter it here. Then you can mirror for these two. MI, look for your middle, make sure you're on a straight line, and hit your enter key. So the next thing is we need to uh, make sure these edges touch. So one shortcut is you can use the command called fillet. So I'll type F enter, then set my radius to 0. It's already at 0, just for us to learn. So I'll type 0 with my enter key. So I can click on this. Now I will need to redo it again. I could have clicked multiple, as chosen this, so I can do more than one at once. Okay, click on this. So what's next? Yeah, we can start. Now, we can start the main roof design. Now, there is a rule while designing roofs. Wherever two lines meet, you would what? Move straight. So I'll type L, enter. I'm going to move straight. So I'll just move really straight. Now, okay, so I would extend this line. Yeah. So now don't forget again, wherever two lines meet, you move straight. So I'll move straight for this again. Okay. So looking at this, I can see clearly where I should have started. So I can delete this line. So I'll start from this. So this moves straight. Um, let's extend this. Okay, so this touches this earlier than this. So whenever a straight line and a diagonal line meets, move in the opposite direction. So we can highlight this. I will hit my MI, enter, and mirror this. So now you can trim. Let's trim. Okay, use excess, then I'll clean this off. So now, again, two diagonal lines like at 45 degrees angle are meeting. So I can move straight, but let's check where this arrives at. If it meets it, so I'll switch my auto on. So yeah, it meets it. So no need to go straight. So this is how your roof looks. So the basic rules: draw your 45 degrees angled lines, draw them, all of them, draw them, you can see them. Then you now start. You might not be sure which to start with, but start with the earliest, like this. So you can see when two diagonal lines 45 degrees meet, you move straight afterwards. Then you check which line hits it next. So this hits it earlier than this. So when a straight line and a 45 degrees diagonal line meets, you move in the opposite direction, which is what we did. Then you can see it touches another diagonal line. Then now move straight. So the any other thing left is the only other thing left is arching. So it's just aesthetics. You can arch. So to arch, you just type H, enter. So let's set it. You can use lines. So let's increase the scale. So the angle, because it's sloping downwards on this side. So I made it a 90 degrees angle. So come here again. you're sloping downwards again, so you make this what 0 the other way around. Then you come here, okay, it's okay there. Then I'll go for this side. I would change the angle. Then this um, 0, or sometimes they make it parallel with this, so you can try 5. You understand? So I missed this. Okay, then the final one is already at 45. So feel free. Okay, we missed this too. Change this, try 0. Yeah. So this is how to design your roof plan. So feel free, you can ask any questions in the comment section, and please subscribe. It shows you appreciate the efforts in making this video. Thanks.